In today's video, we are replacing our old display cabinet with a brand new one, and I'll be organizing the inside as well. We have decided to sell our old display cabinet and TV, and also donate the TV stand and wall mount. We wanted to get rid of the dark furniture to bring more light and space into our small living and dining room. I already emptied out the old cabinet, so now it's time to assemble the new one. The few clips you see here in the start are from before my previous 30 minutes decluttering video. That's why you might still spot some of the items I already decluttered. Our cat Aiko is of course helping the best he can, mostly by supervising and handing us all the nails and screws, in his own way of course. The new display cabinet brings more light and is more Nordic style as we like. In one side it has light inside the glass cabinet, and the other cabinet door is in a wood material. I'll start with organizing all our teas and some decor pieces onto the two top shelves in the hidden cabinet. I'm shuffling things around to see what fits best while it still can look aesthetic. I want everything to be practical but also beautiful, especially this tea shelf. I love being able to see all my teas so I don't forget about them. Do you have any tips for styling with books? I haven't used books for styling so much before, so I'm just experimenting a little here and trying my best. Do you also like tea as much as me and my husband does? My favorite tea shops are TWG from Singapore, AC Perks tea, and something called Østerlandsk tea, both from Denmark. Can you recommend any tea shops or brands? Please tell me in the comments. I love exploring new tea shops when me and my husband is traveling. And here's how the first shelf turned out. I'm not too excited with how it's looking so far. I would like less stuff, but I'll leave it like this for now. And here's another tea shelf. By the way, I accidentally forgot to turn off the autofocus, so the camera keeps focusing on my arm instead of the cabinet. I tried to cut out the worst of it so it's not too distracting. I hope you don't get dizzy watching this part, and sorry if you do. Next up are the display shelves with the backlighting. On the top shelf, I'm placing all our wet wine glasses. I hope you will take this time to organize with me or simply just relax and enjoy this video. The next shelf is for our champagne glasses. They don't take up as much space, so I'm decorating with a puzzle game and maybe a vase on top. Under the tea shelves, I have one more hidden shelf, and that's where I'll store our larger board games. I haven't quite decided what to put on the last hidden shelf yet, but I think maybe all our candles could go there. And since we donated the old TV stand, our PlayStation now needs a new spot, but I'll let my husband handle that and he can put it on one of these shelves. For the last display shelf, I'm mixing a few things: a book, our cocktail and shot glasses, and a couple of champagne glasses that are different from the ones above. And don't worry, I washed my hands before touching the glasses. Do you enjoy these shorter organization videos where I focus on just one area in my home? Or do you prefer the bigger KonMari style decluttering videos where I tackle a room or category? I'd love to hear what you find most interesting. I'm very open to adjusting my content to what you enjoy watching the most. And finally, the last shelf I will organize today. This one will hold all our martini and cocktail glasses. And here's the final result: our new display cabinet all organized and decorated inside. I feel like it's both aesthetic and functional for our family, which is exactly what I wanted. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I organized the drawer off camera. That's where we now have all our small game items like dice, cards, and notepads. And that's it. Our new display cabinet is finally done. I love how much brighter and more open the space feels now. I'll see you in the next video.